says here, max load 50 psi. So we're going to put 50 pounds of pressure in. And just so happened I plugged the tire not long ago, so I got a little soap water here. This is just Dawn dish soap, and if there's any holes, if there's any air leaking by, you would see it. So this tire's good. We're gonna just let it fall down. That's it, guys. Like, subscribe, share with all your friends. Hopefully somebody learned from this. That's a quick, that probably took 15 minutes at the most to plug that tire. Granted, I've got the stuff to do it, but all you need is a set of just a tire plugging kit. This is a Slime tire plugging kit. So you get your tire rasp and your plug. You can buy a pack of plugs from Tractor Supply. This is a Harbor Freight aluminum 1.5 ton jack, some jack stands. This is just an impact drill I just used to take the lugs on and off quicker. And I mean, if you have this stuff laying around, you can change your tire, you can plug your tires, you can change your brakes, and I mean, it's essential things to do in automotive repair. So spend a little bit of money. This would have cost probably $20 or $30 at the tire store. So